Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be seeing the electronics inside of a broken vacuum cleaner. By the way, thank you so much to my neighbor who gave this to me. We're going to be taking apart this broken vacuum cleaner. Okay, so right now I removed everything removable. So let's start removing these screws. Okay, so I did some prying with the screwdriver around these tabs, and I got the cord wheel out. And there's the other part. Alright, so I just removed the top part, and now I have access to this area, which houses the motor right there. Okay guys, so the parts I was able to get include a little push button, a random wire, these two connectors, some screws. I also got a large universal motor with a fan on it, and a spring-loaded cord reel. And this part actually comes off. You can see the contacts on the inside, and there's little spade connectors right here. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more teardowns, and I will see you later.